It's November, and if you don't take one bold step now, you'll end this year in the same place you have started this. And I don't know who needs to hear this, but this month doesn't have to end the way the last 10 months did. You've been praying for change, wanting more time, more freedom, more peace, but maybe you just haven't had the right path. That's exactly why I'm here. I found a way to help people, even in countries with no payment gateways, finally earn online using a system that comes with your own AI bot that do the hard work for you. Starting this month, I'm working with 25 families step by step to create their first dollar online before 2025 starts. You could be one of them. Don't wait another month. Wishing for change, go to www.digitaldollarswithleonie.com or comment info and let's make November your breakthrough month.